This opportunity to be able to see more women leading through the Forté organization has inspired me to focus on recruiting more women year over year into our amazing MBA program. And I really truly believe that the Forté organization has done a fabulous job at promoting MBA, but also promoting an amazing organization of women becoming leaders of tomorrow.
MBA Launch made a really positive impact on my MBA journey.
I'm pretty sure without Forté, I may not have finished my application.
My favorite part of the MBA Launch program was definitely the community.
I was able to start building my network and ask kind of the dumb questions I might have been afraid to ask at webinars.
Having a community that understood and that was going through the same thing, it keeps you grounded.
With all the resources and tools and the right connections of who to talk to, who are the great admission officers, really made the transition from working full-time to applying to business school much easier.
My favorite part of the MBA Launch program is actually the GMAT preparation.
If it wasn't for the MBA Launch program, I think I would have gotten overwhelmed.
It really gives me the confidence and the drive to keep pushing forward and become a leader in the business world.
I would definitely recommend the MBA Launch program to everyone. If I could scream it out, I would definitely do that as well.
Each story, you hear a journey of someone who has navigated the world of business and really found their place in the world, and that's inspiring.